Maximize usable storage in a small half bathroom by choosing solutions that use vertical space, recess into walls, and hide clutter without crowding the room. Start by mapping every inch of vertical and corner space before you buy anything. Install floating shelves at varied heights above the toilet for towels and decorative boxes, leaving at least 12 inches of clearance above the tank to avoid a cramped look. Choose an over-the-toilet cabinet that is narrow but tall, so it stores toilet paper and toiletries while keeping the floor clear. Secure it to studs or use wall anchors rated for the load to prevent tipping. For walls that allow it, build recessed niches that are framed into stud bays to create storage without reducing floor space. Line them with moisture-resistant backer board and add a small lip so items do not slide out. Use a compact corner vanity with built-in shelving or a narrow drawer stack to make corners functional. Measure plumbing and door swing so the cabinet does not interfere with access. Add hidden baskets under the sink or inside the vanity that slide out. Choose woven or water-resistant materials and label them so retrieval is fast and tidy. People often cram too many items into a tiny vanity, which makes the space feel cluttered, so perform a quick purge and store only frequent use items in the bathroom while moving rarely used products elsewhere. Another common issue is installing shelves at inconsistent heights that block sightlines and make the room feel smaller. Plan shelf layout on paper and keep a consistent horizontal line to create visual order. A third mistake is neglecting moisture management with recessed niches or open baskets, which causes mildew and material degradation. Use moisture-resistant finishes, maintain ventilation with a fan or short window airing, and choose materials rated for damp spaces. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and discover ideas that fit small bath footprints, and we host a discussion community where people share before and after photos and practical tips. We connect contractors with homeowners looking for projects and provide a place for both sides to ask questions, compare approaches, and trade cost and timeline expectations.